Benefits of chiffon cake with soy pulp. By replacing the flour with okara bean curd, the cake is gluten-free and low in sugar, making it a healthy cake. Soy milk is used instead of cow's milk to make it lactose-free. It is also high in dietary fiber and is expected to improve health. Okara is the residue left over when soybeans are used to make soy milk and tofu. Originally part of the soybean, okara is rich in protein, dietary fiber, and other nutrients, and is famous for its health benefits. Egg. High-quality protein helps keep cells young. They are rich in vitamins, lecithin, which lowers cholesterol levels, and other necessary nutrients. It is expected to improve memory and learning ability, as well as prevent and improve lifestyle-related diseases.